Good day, Sir Angel. This is my portfolio. I am Darlene Antoinette Adrian from PM01 P611-8. So, what is P611-8? This actually college physics number 2. So, I thought physics 2 would be the death of me. This is true because um I I have repeated this subject for the second time. I failed the first one, although the lab I passed at 3. Um, yes. Oh, sorry. I was hanging on tightrope thinking that this would be the end of me. It's true. I was actually losing hope the way that m- the first physics 2, I was really, really having a hard time understanding everything. Um, even though I tried reviewing again before starting the second college physics 2, I just thought that I don't have the ability to understand it. It was hard for me to understand, memorize the equations, um, solve the problems. Actually, I don't have a problem with solving word problems when it comes to mathematics, but when it comes to physics, my brain would just shut down. So I thought I would be failing for once. I mean, again, and then I thought that I'll just repeat it for the third time. So for the weeks of Physics 11-8, weeks of lecture and activities were great. I actually didn't expect it to be fun. It was really a fascinating experience. Who knew I'd appreciate physics this way? It's true. It's true. Um, the way that Sir Angel, approached the way of studying physics, it was in a way that it was easier to understand. I had a great time listening to you, your examples, especially if this one really fascinated me when we were talking about charges. You actually explained it in a way that it was fun. Like I was back into a kid, um, trying a kid's first time to go to school. Um, So the way you did it was if this charge was the wife and this charge was the husband and then another charge was there again and then what would be the charge if they mix and then they separated. So that was really fun. And then your way of it really took a mark on me. So that's why I still remembered it. And others were like that as well. You inserted storytellings and actually, even fun facts like the recent lecture that we had when you said that there were rainbows, the way the colored rainbows, the rainbows that was a circle, double rainbow. It was it was great. I appreciated way much better than the physics two and physics one, the first physics one, and then the first physics two. I had a lot of fun, to be honest. I think that your laboratory would be fun as well. And you just know how to get into talking and then how students will understand them. So those weeks 1 to 19, even though there were online sessions, they were great. And then I actually w- I didn't feel sleepy. I always feel sleepy when it comes to lectures. This one I always anticipated every words that you say and every examples and every teachings. So homework. So now this is something new. It was a great practice, especially for me, not time consuming, but progress was there. So I didn't actually expect homeworks. I know there would be activities like widely blackboard activities, quizzes. I mean we did have quizzes, but yeah, the homeworks, the one that we gave out in short bond papers stapled, and then those little captions that you have. It was actually entertaining, and then it relieves some of my stresses. I didn't expect them to come like that. I mean, we did have classroom activity where if you didn't pass it on time, you fail, something like that. Uh, this one, you get to practice yourself, search for more techniques and tricks, how to understand it well, actually learn about it on your own. Uh, how if this was this problem, how would you understand it? How would you solve it? So those homeworks were really helpful. I think we had each quizzes. So there were three quizzes, one homework before each quiz. It was really great. And I remember quiz two. Yeah, it was quiz two. I actually didn't have the chance to get it on time. I actually had it on the day of the quiz, 15 minutes before the quiz, because I was going to work. Uh, I, my schedule was not very student friendly that time. So yeah, and then thank you for being so mm, understanding about my situation. I really I really appreciate it. It touches me the way that you didn't just shut me down, even though I didn't have the time to message you, sir. And then I didn't have the time to excuse myself. You gave me a chance to answer them. Thank you so much. But yeah, the homeworks were really great. Although yes, I was stressing a lot. Like, am I right? Is this answer right? I don't know who. I don't want to ask for anyone's answers. I don't know who can confirm if my answers was correct. But yeah, um, it was really great. It was really great. I spent a lot of nights trying to search, the am, is this the right solution? Am I doing it right? Trying to go back to the PowerPoints and trying to apply if, oh yeah, this has an angle, this doesn't have an angle, so what am I supposed to do? There, we have it. Next. Exams. Oh yes, exams. So everyone are on their hands and feet on this one. It's true. Everyone was nervous. I myself held my organs as the time approaches. I thought it would be the end for me. When it comes to physics, exams were the worst, especially physics one and then the first physics that I had. It was the worst. I expected that everything that I learned won't be on the exam because it happened twice. And then I expect the third one to be like that, but they said third one's the lucky charm. So I didn't know, to be honest, the quizzes and the exams. So everyone their hands and feet. I was really nervous. I don't know if anyone ever felt that, but I did because I failed so many times, and then I just thought, no, this term won't have completion. No, just like last term, it won't have completion. And I just thought, that, yeah, I guess I try to re-enroll this subject if I ever fail. But then I did my best to study. I really did. On my first exam, I got 26.4 over 40. It was actually the passing mark. I was really relieved at that point. Like, oh, I did well. Is this me? I did well. And then since some numbers were bonus, I actually forgot why, but it went from over 40 to over 30, so I got 21.6. Yeah, 21.6 over 30. I actually don't have my papers right now because I left it back at the dorm. I went home here in Laguna last, this yesterday. No, wait. I guess it's yesterday, Saturday. Actually forgot, but yeah, I don't have them right now, so I'm really sorry about that. I kept it on my envelopes, documents at the dorm, and then I just saw Sir Angel's announcement about them that it is ready, that you can pick it up for the portfolio, I guess. But yeah, I don't really have the time. Everyone here is busy. We're trying to arrange some papers and everything, so I don't have the time to get it to the faculty. I'm sorry, sirs. Yeah, well, so going back to the exams, for the second one, I failed. I got 15 or 15 point. I forgot the point, but it's over 30. I got 50% of it. It's not passing, but then at least I got a double digit score. Before it was over 100, right? And then I would only get 2 points. As I said, anything that was in PowerPoint, anything that was taught, it never appeared. It never appeared in the exams, in the quizzes. So, but this one, at least I got half. I got half. I didn't get 1%. I got at least 50. And I'm proud of myself for that. And there was really great progress. For the third quiz, uh, I was actually shocked because I answered it around 4 a.m. The homework, the homework answered around 4 a.m. So I just solved it. I searched, solved it, and everything. Um, and then when the quiz came, it was actually the same. And then I was trying to rack my brains because I haven't slept yet. I was reviewing, trying to remember the way I solved it, the way how I got the answers, even if I don't know if I'm right. But yeah, I was trying to do that. And then good thing that it was all that the solution part was only one number. It was a single number. But so I was able to answer that. I don't know if I'm correct. For real, I don't know. So for the final exam, I tried reviewing the homework. The homeworks, I actually couldn't remember the homeworks that we've done because I don't have the papers that time. But the past quizzes, I was trying to review them, uh, trying to solve all the mistakes I had, and then I just hope that I answered the exam well. The exam was fun too. You get to shape. There's multiple choices, and that's the thing with the quizzes and the exams. They're not in a way that you don't know if your answer was right. You have multiple choices where you can choose from. Like, if you don't know the answer, like what the twice I did it, I really don't know the answer. I tried every solution that I have. I tried solving in every solution I have until I at least have the same number in one of the multiple choices. So I had that experience myself, but it was great. It was great. This physics I enjoyed. The last physics, no, never. I never did. I even forgot what we did. I slept in the corner. I slept with my head down. I slept while taking notes. But this one, I enjoyed listening and everything. I really had hopes for this physics. So for Sir Angel, I have a lot to say. To be honest, I have more pictures, but I don't know where to find them. I rebooted my phone. I know I copied the pictures, but I couldn't find them where. I was trying to find them the whole day, but this is the only one I have in my phone, and that one was from the last lecture or the last lecture. I forgot. Mm, First of all, Sir Angel, thank you. You made this class entertaining, fun, and very positive. I was nervous every lecture, um, hoping that maybe this time I could understand what I couldn't last physics. And then I actually did in a more easy and better way, to be honest. And Sir Angel was, as the name says you are an angel. Sir. You laugh, you smile, you give these amazing examples, you give storytelling, and then your way, especially when it comes to symbols, I that's one part of physics that I also hate. Those symbols that I don't know where to place them or when they should be used, but your way of segregating the symbols with those brackets, it was really helpful. Like I get to memorize and understand that, oh, for column this is for here, and then for amperes this is for here, current this one. So it's not just like letters like, oh, it's V I A. Like, okay, where am I supposed to put that? But yes, Sir Angel, thank you so much for that. It was such an amazing time with you, to be honest. For the last the attendance, especially the attendance, the questions you put there, like if if in One Piece, who would you be? So I forgot who I picked. I think it was Robin. I love those little questions for the start of the lecture. Like you're trying to give, or you're trying to spread the positivity for everyone. So it's actually great. I told my parents about it a lot, that I'm positive. I love physics for this time only, for this time, because they said that it actually matters. The teachers matters. So the way the teacher that I had in past physics was really different from you. So it was really great. I understand it very well. I had no complaints. You're very understanding. You give examples that we can answer while on class, and it just makes you feel proud and achieve once you know you got the right answer. Thank you for that, sir. And thank you for being so understanding and anticipating for everyone, for being positive, for being compliant, it's right, compliant, understanding, and especially you're empathetic. You know what we went through from the last visits, what we had, and everything. So thank you for that, sir. And for the last slide, thank you again. I am Darlene Antoinette Duran from EM01. I have curly hair, so you might remember me, sir. Thank you for everything. Bye bye.